Lesson number 16, conjunctions. So in this PPT we will be covering subordinating conjunctions. Already we had given you one video on coordinating conjunctions. So children, just quick recapitulation on conjunctions. Conjunctions are the linking words that are used to join words or phrases or clauses. We have already done coordinating conjunction in the first video, which is fanboys. Okay, whereas for is used to explain the reason or purpose, and is used to add information. See, they packed the bags and left immediately. Even if I remove the coordinating conjunction, it can exist. Nor is used to add negative information to the other. For example, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. Even if you remove the coordinating conjunction, it can exist as the main clause. But is used to show the contrast, or is used to give a choice, yet is used to emphasize that contrast. So is used to present a result, like we were out of milk, so I went to the store to buy some. Here it is mentioned like that is used to give the result of that action, result of that main clause. So that is fanboys. The second type of conjunctions, it is subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunctions are also used to join clauses, and here the clause introduced by the subordinating conjunction, okay, it will be adding extra information to the first clause, that is the main clause, and it will not make any complete sense on its own, because it needs the presence of the main clause to give the complete meaning. So the subordinating clause conveys the meaning only in the presence or only in relation with that of main clause. For example, if I say like they are late because there is a traffic jam. So they are late, it is the main clause. Because there is a traffic jam, it cannot exist itself. It needs the presence of they are late to get the complete idea. Now when I say clause, what do you mean by a clause? It will be, they are the words with a subject, and there will be one finite verb also. One finite verb also will be there. Subordinate clause is a group of words that is starting with a subordinating conjunction. Okay, main clause can stand alone as a sentence because it is the principal clause or the independent clause. Whereas the subordinating clause cannot stand itself, it can stand in relation with that principal clause or the main clause. Just like we have seen fanboys for the coordinating conjunctions, for the subordinating conjunctions, there are many subordinating conjunctions, but here we need to see for like where, wherever, then, after, before, when, whenever, while, until, since, as soon as, once. There are many subordinating conjunctions. You can just refer this subordinating conjunctions in your textbook, page number 83. Okay, so now here, like this is just an short form to remember the subordinating conjunction. Usually we consider this as a subordinative conjunction only, like this avu bis. Okay, avu bis. So you can see this subordinating conjunctions in your textbook, page number 96 in your textbook. When, after, before, whenever, while, until, if, unless, although, though, still, because, since, as, where, and wherever. Now, just like the coordinating conjunctions, we have different subordinating conjunctions also. So there are subordinating conjunctions expressing time. Like for example, we use before, since, till, after to express time. The train had left before we reached the station. So what is the main clause here? The train had left, because it is giving the complete idea. See, we reached the station, that is another sentence. These two sentences are connected using the conjunction before. So when I say before we reach the station, that is a dependent clause, okay, or the subordinate clause which is depending upon the train had left. It has no existence of itself. Okay, so that is the subordinating conjunction. Wait here till I come back. Wait here is the principal clause. I come back is another clause. Okay, but when I inserted the conjunction till I come back, wait here is connected and I come back is connected using the conjunction till. So till I come back is a subordinate clause. We left our homes after the program had ended. We left our homes, it is giving you the complete idea, which is the main clause. And after the program had entered, it is a subordinate clause because it is depending upon the main clause. It cannot exist itself. Now, I have not seen since he left this city. Here the main clauses I have not seen. And the subordinate clauses since he left this city. And this is depending on the main clause. And now we have subordinating conjunction expressing place, that is where and wherever. When I use where in a sentence, I'm talking about in or at a particular place. When I'm using wherever, I'm talking about in any place, or it can be in all the places. For example, I shall go whenever I want. I shall go wherever I want. So when I say wherever I want to, here wherever is suggesting like, I shall go is one clause, that is the main clause. I want to, wherever I want to is a subordinate clause because it is starting with a subordinating conjunction. And here it is giving the impression of like, in all the places or in any place that I want to. And for example, they are building a mall where there used to be a market. The same example in your textbook. Here I am talking about the particular place, particular one place. We can see the next type, that is subordinating conjunctions of reason. Okay, so subordinating conjunctions of reason, it will be used to show like the reason, like see, since he was not there, I left a message with his mother. So I left a message with his mother is the main clause, and the other clause, that is since, it is starting with a subordinating conjunction. Since he was not left there, it is used to, it is dependent on the main clause. He was promoted because he was efficient. Here the conjunction is because. Okay, and he was promoted is the main clause. As he was not ready, we left without him. There should be a comma. As he was not ready, we left without him. That is the main clause. It is giving you the complete idea. It is the other conjunction is as is the subordinating conjunction, which is used to connect to the other part of the sentence. So since, because and as are used like that, used to show the reason. Now we have subordinating conjunctions of condition, that is if and unless I used to show for the condition. There is difference between if and unless. Okay, if shows like the some condition, that is provided that. Okay, whereas unless is used to show like except if, except not. It is used in that kind of statements. For example, when I say I will win the game unless my racket breaks. Okay, I will win the game unless my racket breaks. So here it is like if not my racket breaks. In that sense I have used unless. Okay, unless is the conjunction that is used to connect these two sentences, two clauses. Next one, I will go abroad if I get a good job. So I will go abroad is the main clause. If is the conjunction to connect the other part, I get good job. If I get good job, that is the condition. That is the sub statement. If I get a good job, I will be going abroad. Okay, it looks as if it might rain. It looks as if it might rain. Now there is subordinating conjunctions of contrast. There is not that much difference. If it is used in the beginning, we will be using although and though. Like it is again used to connect the ideas that contrast. Like when I say I'm sorry, although it was not entirely my fault. So here it is like I'm sorry, it is one statement main, although it was not entirely. Both the statements are of contrast. Okay, I have connected these two using the conjunction although. Though it is only 7 p.m., the roads are deserted. So again here it is like though it is only 7 p.m. It is a subordinative clause as it is starting with the subordinating conjunction. The roads are deserted. It is the main clause. Okay.